Hi, I'm Colin Powett, Climbing Category Director at Black Diamond, and this is our full rope burrito. The full rope burrito is a lightweight, easy to use solution for stowing your climbing rope. By perfectly wrapping your cord, it keeps it nice and organized for your crag sessions. The full rope burrito is lightweight and low bulk, taking up less room in your pack. The full rope burrito opens and closes easily and features two convenient carrying handles. Its elastic opening opens up to reveal a tarp that keeps your rope out of the dirt. The tarp also features 4 grab handles to make moving your cord from root to root that much easier. They are also color-coded and act as tie-in points for quick and easy access to the ends of your cord. If you're looking for a dedicated rope bag that's simple, lightweight, and easy to use, the Black Diamond Full Rope Burrito gets the job done, keeping your climbing cord organized for crucial rope management at the crag.
Ropebag Chute is a reliable, smart rope bag with multiple carrying solution for indoor and outdoor activities. It works for all types of climbing and has a large detachable tarp and 16 liters of capacity. This means it can accommodate a 70 meters rope and still have room for some other gears. The padded split shoulder provide multiple intelligent carrying solutions, and they can also be hidden when not in use. It means that you can carry it as a normal backpack, or you can sling it over your shoulder on the way to the climbing gym. The roll top opening makes for easy packing. If you want, you can compress the content to optimize its volume. The main fabric is a robust double ripstop polyester, which makes it a durable and strong bag. There is also a dedicated zip pocket for your valuable items. This is a clever and solid rope bag, adaptable and practical in every situation.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal.
Okay, so this is the rope bag prototype. The way this thing works is you stack the rope on a tarp. The purpose is to keep the rope protected from the dirt when you're at the crag. You would typically be belaying, standing next to the tarp or standing on the tarp or whatever, but with the rope on the tarp so that you don't get dirt in the rope. You can see, and then once you get here, cover the rope up with the tarp, roll it up into the bag, tuck it into the bag, pull the drawstring tight. Most rope bags have just a single strap to go over your shoulder. They're kind of a pain in the ass to carry. This one I put Bellara in the back plate to make it very, very KAVU. Do what you guys do with the KAVU rope bags to make it a rope bag. I just didn't have any of this. Really to walk in and out of the crag. And then when you get to the crag, they throw it down, unclip it, pull their shoes and chalk bags out, undo the tarp, open it up, untie their tie-in point. They tie it to their climber and then the rope's completely stacked and out of the dirt. On the bag itself, I put a couple of zippers for just putting wallets, shot blocks, bars, whatever. And then there's also a zippered pocket on the inside. I think this is a 7-pound Bellara to give it some shape and structure. Certainly you can use it as a seat to sit on. You can run it without it. You can stick a camelback in it, whatever you want to do. You know, the sewing's not atrocious, but I'm a little rusty, so it's just a prototype. But it's a very simple bag. These materials are just examples. It's a unique rope bag. Most rope bags are a shoulder strap only. The backpack style is really nice. I like it a lot. Along with the rope, you can certainly put harness, shoes, chalk bag, and a rack of draws in this thing and wear it on your back to the crag. Stick a jacket in the Fastex buckles and cinch it on the back and carry everything you need to the crag. It's a really usable bag. It's practical for climbing and it's not just like a fashion statement. It's really a utilitarian item for climbers. I want to say it's 400 hand drawn, but I'm not sure. I don't really remember. Probably going to be some dog hair in here because of the shop. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions and ready? Of this design, either you can keep it detached, or via zipper, you can actually keep your gear and your rope separate and store your gear in one place. And if you're in a gym like we are now, it's very easy. We have two pieces of webbing that your rope is clipped to keep an end accessible at all times. And when you're ready to move, you just fold the rope tarp over the top, grab the handles, and carry it really easily like a bag. And you're ready to go home. It's very simple. And then pull the tarp back over the rope, roll it back into the bag. Makes it really easy, keeps control of your gear. Pull the drawstring, wrap it up. There's plenty of room in the bag to store everything you need. Convenient to carry your gear back to the car or out of the gym. So there you have it, KAVU rope bag.
Chip here with Metolius Climbing. I've got our Speedster rope bag. It's our largest rope bag. 2 shoulder straps, so it's carried like a backpack. Accessory pocket in the front for keys, tape, brush. Top grab loop, full length front zipper. Inside we find a nice large 52 by 58 inch tarp with different colored tie-in points for your rope to keep your ends separated. And that's the Speedster rope bag. So you can just